doing today? I hope you guys are doing really well. And in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make eggless microwave cake in just under 2 minutes. So this can be basically perfect for any time of the day, dinner, lunch. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and also give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And also make sure you follow my other social media. All the links to it will be in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And let's get on to the video.
So I'm gonna start off with adding 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, followed by 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and then add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and you can also add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and then add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then I add a pinch of salt to neutralize the taste of the sugar. Then you have to mix all the dry ingredients really well. Once you're done mixing all the dry ingredients, now we can go ahead with the liquid ingredients. I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of milk. And then I go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any kind of oil. Mix all the ingredients really well without any lumps until it comes to a batter-like consistency. I would recommend you to use a steel spoon instead of a plastic one, because when I was mixing this batter it suddenly broke, and see, I shifted to a steel one then. And then microwave this, and my microwave took 2 minutes to get fully cooked. It really depends on your microwave. You can check it with a toothpick. And here is the end results, and I have to tell you guys that this tastes so good. You guys really need to try this. And here is how it looks.
Hope you guys like this video, and also comment down below what you want to watch next, and also the reviews about this video. And meet you guys next time again with another amazing video. Until then, this is Aisha.